Braids and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a crochet style. I haven't done a crochet style in a while. It's been so long. My hair is freshly washed. It looked like it shrink a lot. And I did clip some of it off. So it looks a little shorter than usual. But I'm going to be doing some crochet braids. I went ahead and I did a middle part already. Let me show you the hair. I'm going to be doing the Bobbi Boss Passion Twist boho style. I got 2 packs. I hope I don't need 3. I got 2 packs and I'm just going to go ahead and do 5 jumbo braids in my hair to prep my hair for the crochet braids. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm all done braiding my hair. I know it's looking a little rough, but that's okay. I'm gonna cover it up with some crochet braids. Yeah, I was trying to rush. I was sleepy. I was like, So I try my best though. That's my best for in that moment. So I'm just going to secure the ends, tucking that, crocheting that in, and my dog is barking like crazy. So I just wanted to take the time out to just show you the quality of the hair fresh out the pack. I'm telling you, fresh out the pack, it looks really good. It looks really nice. It has so much potential. But at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys my review after wearing the hair for a few days. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I went ahead while I was watching a show and I just went and installed the 20 strands of hair, and I decided to show you guys at each stage. I have a total of 60 strands. There are 30 strands in each pack. So this is what 20 strands look like. And please excuse my cornrows because I struggle with braiding my own hair, to tell you the truth. I could braid other people's hair, but I struggle with my hair, so I just did whatever I could. And this is what 40 strands is looking like. I probably needed 3 packs, but since I had 2 packs and I really didn't feel like going back to the store to buy more packs, I just did what I could do with 2 packs. So I would suggest that if you're doing this style, definitely do 3 packs. It might be a little bulky, but you'd get the most coverage because some areas in the front I couldn't get covered, and some areas in the back I definitely couldn't cover because I have a lot of hair to cover. So I would recommend 3 packs, but I used 2 and it was fine. So as you can see, I'm using my hand mirror just to get an idea of what the back of the hair is looking like and where it needs to be covered because I can't really see. So I'm just going ahead and filling the areas where you could still kind of see the cornrows. And I'm just making sure that those areas are covered up. And also I'm making sure with the last 20 pieces of hair that is remain, I'm just making sure that I cover up as much section. So that's what I'm doing here.
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. When a heart gives way, then a king can change. You rule the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, 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 queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, 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 clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. She reigns in Knoxville, reigns in California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning, she the queen.
Okay, so this is several days after the installation, 5 days now after the installation. So I'm going to give my review on them. I'm going to show you how they look. In the night, I put my bonnet on and I just ended up putting them in one because I kind of prefer to have them in one. I did wear it down a few times, but so this is my review on this hair. As you can see, the hair mats. It mats up really bad, and I think it's those little pieces hair, like these little pieces. They don't stay cute and curly. They just get tangled up in a really mess. So that's the reason I just haven't been wearing it down, because I'm like, I have to find time to like cut every last one of these little pieces off, because they just gonna have my hair looking a fuzzy mess. But I haven't gotten around to it yet. So in the meantime, I just been putting my hair in one, but it's not to say like, you know, I'm sleeping on a thing. I putting it in a nice little bonnet, and it's still, you know, it's still a tangly mess. It doesn't look as appealing as it did when it was in a case. So that's my review on this hair. It looks cute in a case, but in terms of, is it gonna last? It's just, you know, look at this. It's just a weekend, almost a weekend, and it done looking a fuzzy mess. So I really have to, yeah. But I didn't really do like a recording of like the hair when it was fresh, you know, with proper lighting, but this is how it's looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut those fuzzy pieces off, and hopefully it looks a little better. But so far that's my review on the hair, and yeah, these are the final results of the hair. I'm going to try my best to make it last as long as possible. So I cut some of the really bad fuzzy pieces on this side, and it's already looking much better than this mess over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. I didn't want to eliminate them completely, but the ones that look really bad, I'm just going ahead and cutting them off. So far it's looking much better, and maybe I'll be able to salvage this hair for one 1 more week or 2 more weeks. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out all the fuzzy pieces, and this is how it's looking. I think it's looking pretty good. Again, oh, I forgot a piece. Cut that out. This could stay. Okay. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments, if they're better without the little fuzzy pieces. Does it look better without the fuzzy pieces? Of course. Yeah, this is how it's looking now, so I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so I can wear it down again. It's not looking too bad. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.